What it do, yo? It's your boy Shista12, and I'm back with another video. You get what I'm saying? It's been a long minute, man, but I'm back with another video. Like and subscribe to my channel, man. If you guys are new, man, if you guys are old, I'm sorry, guys.
Shout out to the family.
It's been a long time, it's been a little minute. I've been working, got a new job and stuff, you dig what I'm saying? So I gotta get that grind going and get the money. Today we're gonna be reacting to another Crank Lucas video. Shout out to Crank, man. You know I watch most of his videos a lot on my channel, so you know you're about to see most of me reacting to his stuff and other people's channels, but I haven't got the chance to like check them out, so I'm just, you know what I'm saying, putting this one up for you guys.
Yeah, they ain't a
Then
part
we're
of
gonna
my
be watching if
yeah, we
Jadakiss sold cough
same
drops.
ones, no newbies.
If I'm
Same
not
ones, no
mistaken.
newbies.
Yeah, that's what it's called. Yeah.
Hey, same
We're
ones,
gonna be watching
no
that.
newbies. Same ones, no
Please
newbies.
like and subscribe.
I be charged up like a
like
battery.
the video
Rapping on beats,
and
ain't
comment
no stopping
for
me.
ideas. You
Just
know
a
what I'm
1, 2
saying?
going
You
crazy.
guys
I
want to
come
see
from the basement.
certain
Money that I'm
videos?
saving. Can't
Just
believe
link
that we made it.
Link me, man.
Got
I'm
my one
always
eye out, make you
open
wink.
to my messages.
Yeah, we got
you
the
know what I'm
rappers eating
saying?
them up for lunch. How much money you want?
Let's
I
get
want
to
a
it,
bunch.
shall we? Sorry about my lighting, man. My light sucks, but this is all I got, man. Anyways, let's go.
Crank Lucas in the building. Yo, this throat feeling sore. You can't breathe hardly. You coughing up a lung like you came from Mars. See you wheezing real heavy. Feeling like your heart stops. It's time for you to buy some kiss a breath cough drops. It'll soothe any irritated larynx from eating escapade, your chili lime asparagus. They so good you can boil them and cook them. Think I'm raspy now? Should've heard before I took them. And they leave your breath fresh, handle your biz. They like Scarface, real safe for women and kids. Cause if you got halitosis and it's miserable, your throat might not be sore, but you could take them off principle. Top 5 cough drop, better than y'all's. And if you pop one, your lungs open up like halls, about the size of a locket. You could take it if you sick, or how do weed smell when feds pull up in them dicks. I'm about to save every rep in the hood. Have a bag passed around on every stoop and every step in the hood. Give help to anyone who got strep in the hood. Dump them in your hand and shake them like sunflower seeds. Have a whole new throat in a 1-hour breeze. They call me Respirator J to help you live your best. Cause if your throat feeling sore and you rip your chest, you need a to the noir, kiss a breath.
Oh my god. Crank Lucas. Come on, though. He said, "You think I'm raspy now? You should have heard me when I took him." Boy, man. This dude can make a cough drop commercial. Literally. You know what I'm saying? He could just rap that little scene that he did and then just put it in the commercial scene. Yo, the line that he said about Scarface, I don't get that line. Cause he said something about, like, Scarface, this medicine is good for your wife and kids. I don't know exactly what he said, but I think he said, like, Scarface is safe for your wife and kids or something like that. I don't know, I don't get it. Someone comment in the bottom, tell me what that means, man. Anyways, if you guys like that video, man, please like and subscribe to my channel. You do what I'm saying? And we'll get to another one next time, alright? I promise. Peace. Stay blessed, y'all. Woo!